chips in your fridge?
The fridge, actually. I just played it.
Play it with me.